welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, we'll be continuing on with that PT1010 label maker. This one's a fun video for me. We'll be focusing in on symbols, accented characters, frames, all of the fun little things that help make labels fun, creative, unique, way better than the average, label next door, if you know what I mean. Before I get started, please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on what we do next. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, the first fun thing that we are going to do is we're going to talk about frames for your labels. So let's say we have our classic, you already know what I'm going to type if you've been following along my channel at all, but hello. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit function, and we're gonna arrow until we see underline and frame. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit this little arrow, this enter button. And right now you'll notice it says it's off. That means I don't have any frames going on. It's just a simple print. I can arrow and there's an underline, and you can kind of see right here on this bottom right corner that there's a underline. Or I can do round, candy, a call out, a banner, wooden, off. So you have just a couple options there. But I'm going to show you, let's do candy. I think that's fun. And we're going to go ahead and hit this enter button, and we'll go ahead and hit print. And then we're going to use that manual cutter. And then you can kind of see this is what that looks like with the candy frame. Now I'll do one more frame. So we'll go ahead and, we're going to hit function. We would arrow to underline and frame and go ahead and hit that enter. And let's do wooden and just see what that looks like. I don't think I've ever done that one before. So that's hello. That, and there's that, and it kind of looks like a little piece of wood. So that's how you do frames or underlines. And the next thing I'm going to show you is how to do special characters, accented characters. And so what you're going to do is you'll notice at the bottom right of your machine, you've got the little, you can see these little symbols. So let's say you need to change A. So you would hit the A button, and then you'd hit this, and you'll notice now you've got the little accent right above that A right there. See that? So, and if you want to change that, you would keep clicking this and see how it's changing as we go. You're going to keep clicking this until you find what you need. Now you can do this for any letter. So if it's E, you can go ahead and click until you get the correct accent for whatever word. And you can do this in the middle of a word, and it shouldn't be any issue at all. So once you've selected, you hit the enter button, and then you'd move on. So that's how we're gonna do the accented character. So you're gonna hit your letter, followed by the accent. You'll click this until you find the right one, followed by the enter key.
Who knew labels could be so fun? Please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started on the next thing.
Now for symbols, this machine does have a few different options for symbols. Unfortunately, there's not a great way to preview them. However, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this button, the second in from this left side. You can kind of see an @ symbol, a star, a phone, so on. We'll click that. And you're gonna start out with punctuation, which is great. And you have 13 different pages. If you wanna skip to the end, more of the pictures, I would just hit this left arrow first, and that's gonna bring you to the 18th page. And you can kind of get a pixelated version of what these are gonna be. I recommend, I think this is a kitty, so we're gonna go ahead and hit enter. And you can kind of see it there, but I recommend just playing around with your machine a little bit to find your favorite symbols. And then once it's printed, you can kind of get a much better view of what this is gonna look like. Because look how crisp and clear that kitty is. We still have it on that wood frame, but look at that little cat. I mean, compared to this pixelated version, I mean, it doesn't give you a true, I think, I'm gonna do text and format so I can get rid of that frame, but I don't think it gives you a true representation of what the symbol looks like. You're gonna have to play around with it. And I looked at the user manual, and there really isn't a cheat sheet. So let's say, I think we've got a dreidel, snowflake. You got all kinds of stuff here. Power button. Let's do a little heart. We'll hit enter, and we go ahead and hit print. And now we've got the heart. And just notice I hit clear to delete text and format, which got rid of that extra frame there. But there's a heart, and I'll do one more. We'll go ahead and hit the symbols. I'm gonna keep arrowing. I think right now we're gonna be less into pictures and more into symbols, but that's not a problem. Let's go ahead and do one more of a cute little character. Let me arrow over. I'll try this, so I don't really know what that is. Again, this manual cutter, we'll give that a slice. And then we've got a little paw print and an arrow, so that would be cute with Kitty. But yeah, look how quick and easy that was to change out some of these labels. I mean, it really took no time at all. And I feel like these are fun, they're unique, and overall pretty easy to get.
And it's as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Seriously, it helps me so much with work. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.